here's the graph of y equals 25 minus x squared. It's just a parabola opening downward. The vertex at 0, 25. The axis of symmetry is this green dashed line. And we want to find a line y equals b that passes through the region under the parabola above the y-axis that cuts the area of the total region into two equal parts. Over here you said I believe I have to integrate with respect to y. You could actually do this with respect to x, but it gets really messy. So probably do want to do it with respect to y. You could compute the total area with respect to x or with respect to y. Here's total area with respect to x, 500 thirds. Here it is with respect to y, 500 thirds. So the equation that we want to solve is we want to put a b here, and we want that definite integral to be equal to half of the total area, 250 thirds. So that's the equation that we want to solve. So we have to find an antiderivative of the square root of 25 minus y. And here's the work involved, starting right up here. There's the equation we want to solve. I divided both sides by 2 to get 125 thirds on the right, and then used u substitution. Let u equal 25 minus y. So du equals negative dy. So I put a negative sign here and a negative sign out front, preparing for the u substitution. Note that in terms of y, this limit, when y is 25, u is 0. And when y is b, u is 25 minus b. So here's that substitution right here. U is 25 minus y, so the square root to the 1/2. To make things positive, use the property of integrals that if you interchange the limits of integration, you change the sign. And so we're down to solving this equation. Here's the antiderivative of u to the 1/2. I decided to multiply both sides by 3/2, which gave me 125 halves on the right. So 25 minus b to the 3/2. Raise both sides to the 2/3 power, and then solve for b. So there's b right there, 25 minus 125 halves to the 2/3 power. And that's about 9.251. And here's that integral with b replaced with that value. And this 83.33 is 250 thirds approximately. There you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.